Today I'm going to be installing the ECS Street Shield on a Mk7 Golf Sportwagen. In the last video I made, I shared my install of some H&R Springs for my Golf Sportwagen. With this install, the wagon now sits about an inch lower to the ground until I get around to installing some more meaty wheels and tires, which should bring the ground clearance up slightly higher again. Since we're often driving on northern back roads, and the Mk7 Golfs have plastic oil pans, a little extra protection for the underbody was a priority for me. I ordered the ECS Street Shield and it just arrived yesterday. This is a very straightforward install, so I will make it quick. Let's get started. See, wasn't that fast? The Street Shield's dimensions and sizing and the parts included worked out perfectly. I will add that if you want a little bit beefier mounting for the front of this pan, similar to what the Alltrack skid plate offers, you can buy additional hardware from ECS. I may end up doing this, but for now, this seems pretty robust for what I need. If you have questions and comments, throw them in the comments below. Please consider subscribing, and thanks for watching.